Money never sleeps, and neither should your trading game. Success in the market isn't just about timings, it's about moving the right tools to back your decisions. That's where Premium Trading Algo AI comes in, a cutting edge algorithm designed to optimize your trading like never before. With unparalleled precision, lightning fast analysis, and a blend of 28 proven strategies, Premium is your key to mastering the market and staying ahead 24/7. Let's dive in and unlock your trading potential today. Still stuck trying to figure out the markets on your own? It's time to let Premium Trading Algo AI take the lead. This isn't guesswork, it's strategy, precision, and results combined in one unbeatable system. This question is, are you ready to use the difference? Tell me in the comments, are you ready to stop overthinking and start trading smarter? Let's connect. Join now, link below.